the arrangement of the particles, the part of the solid state. There is a one-dimensional arrangement of spheres. You know that here you can see here, this is the one-dimensional arrangement of sphere. Each sphere in row has two neighboring sphere. That means what? की हा जो स्पेअर आहे त्याला परत शेजारी दोन स्पेअर अटॅच आहे, किंवा हा स्पेअर असेल, स्पेअर म्हणजे हा ॲटम आहे, ह्या ॲटमला परत दोन ॲटम्स अटॅच आहे. म्हणजे एक सिंगल ॲटमला किंवा सिंगल स्पेअरला च्या कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये बोथ द साइड्स टू स्पेअर्स दे आर. ओके, द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ द पार्टिकल this particle is 2 because the number of particles attached to 2, that's why coordination number is 2. This is the linear arrangement in one dimension, maybe in one direction about x, y, z or any other direction. The next, this is the one dimensional arrangement. Then next is second, planar packing arrangement of sphere. In this arrangement, first one is AA type arrangement. This is the one, this is actually, this is also called as a square close packing. In this, atom can arrange, this is A layer, this is a one dimensional A layer. Okay, all are in one dimension. This is A layer. Then second layer is also A layer, third also A layer, and fourth also A layer. That's why it is called as a A type. Continuous A layer can contact with each other. That means what? Each sphere is row is placed over another sphere, row, so on. That's finally all spores different rows aligned vertically as well as horizontally as shown in figure. Okay, all spheres are aligned vertically as well as horizontally. Okay, this is the AA type system, planar structure. Okay, this is planar structure, two-dimensional arrangement. This is two-dimensional arrangement, and one atom is contact with four atoms. You can see here one. This is single center atom. It has contact with another four atom, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is four atom contact with each other, and this is square close packing. This is called as a square close packing because there are four atoms are contact with this center atom. You can see here, there one atom contact with 1, 2, 3 and this 4, and this arrangement is square close packing. Okay, and the coordination number for this is 4 because one atom has four different atom is attached. That's why its coordination is 4, and this packing is called as a square close packing. This is the A type two-dimensional packing. Then next type in two-dimensional is ABAB type. In this arrangement, you can see here simply, this is the arrangement of the sphere in neighboring rows do not match with each other. You can see here in A type all are match here, but in this arrangement B is not match with A is not match with B. This is first row is B or first row is A, then this is the A series, then second one is B series, but it is not perfectly matched with this first atom, both the atom. Okay, first A row, then B, second row B, then third row is A. Again repetition takes place here, and A type and fourth row will be B type and so on. Hence the planar form crystalline solid is called as a ABAB type. Each sphere is contact with 6 another sphere. एका स्पेअरच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये किती स्पेअर्स येतात? टोटल 6 स्पेअर्स येतात. एका स्पेअरच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये there are 6 pairs there, and therefore in two-dimensional arrangement and coordination number is 6 because center atom attached in which 6 atom attached. That's why its coordination number is 6. And this is arrangement is regular hexagon. This arrangement is regular hexagon, and this arrangement is packing also hexagonal close packing. This is also called as a hexagonal close packing. This is there is a empty space in hexagonal close packing is much less than in square close packing. That means what? In this is empty space, and this empty space is called as voids. Okay, this voids is a square planar. There is a lot of empty space here, but in case of ABAB type, there is a triangular voids here, very small empty space as compared to square close packing. That means square close packing is less than hexagonal close packing. Hexagonal close packing is more efficient than square close packing. Okay, this arrangement is called as a hexagonal close packing. There are two types of two-dimensional arrangement, A type and BB type. The next is three-dimensional arrangement. In this three-dimensional arrangement, this is A layer, this is A layer, A layer, A layer, A layer can arrange in three-dimensionally. Okay, तर A type of two-dimensional crystal layers, A type of two-dimensional crystal layers are placed one over the other such that all the pairs of the successive layer are exactly above the pairs of two layers. That means what? This is one-dimensional, two-dimensional layer, and you can put this another two-dimensional layer over the place over this two-dimensional layer. Okay, all space of different layers of the also vertically, so that any unit cell of the crystal has simple cubic structure. You can see here, and you know that each sphere is surrounded. Each sphere is surrounded by 6 sphere. Each sphere 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Each sphere surrounded by 6 sphere. Okay, 4 in the layer of the sphere and 1 in the layer above and 1 below the layer. One is above the layer and another is below the layer. The coordination number of this simple cubic structure is 6. Coordination number is 6. There is more empty space in the simple cubic structure. The next arrangement is three-dimensional is ABAB type arrangement. In this arrangement, empty space is present. You can see here in this arrangement lot of empty space. That's why the next more specific arrangement in the structure of the atom present is ABAB type. It is also called as a hexagonal close packed structure. This is the three-dimensional arrangement. You can see here this is the three-dimensional arrangement. Here two types of voids here. This is above this voids are octahedral and below this voids are tetrahedral holes there, Q or voids there. Voids means what? Holes means there is a empty space between the two atoms. You can see there how can ABAB arrangement takes place. It is very simple one. You can see here this is the A layer of the atom, this is the B layer of the atom, and you can see here you can put this B layer on the A layer. Exactly this brown color match with this completely. It can intercept between this 3 atom of the red layer. म्हणजे काय, हा जो ब्राऊन कलरचा ॲटम आहे तो बरोबर इथे अरेंज केलेला आहे. परत हा सेकंड ॲटम इथे अरेंज केलेला आहे आणि हा थर्ड ह्या तिघांच्या मध्ये. यू कॅन सी हिअर अरेंजमेंट लाईक दॅट. बरोबर ह्या रेड ए लेयर वरती बी लेयर पुट केलाय, पण तो कसा केलाय, बरोबर ह्या तिघांच्या मध्ये एक ॲटम ठेवलाय, बरोबर ह्या तिघांच्या मध्ये एक ॲटम ठेवलाय, ह्या तिघांच्या मध्ये ॲटम बी लेयरचा ॲटम आला पाहिजे, ह्या 3 ॲटमच्या मध्ये बरोबर ए लेयरचा ॲटम आला पाहिजे. लाईक दॅट अरेंजमेंट केलेली आहे. ओके, बट इन दिस अरेंजमेंट देअर आर जो अबोव पार्ट आहे त्या अबो पार्ट वरती कशा पद्धतीने अरेंजमेंट होते आणि बिलो पार्ट वरती कशा पद्धतीने. इथे 2 टाईपचे वॉइड्स जनरेट होतात, एक ऑक्टाहेड्रल आणि एक टेट्राहेड्रल शेप वॉइड्स जनरेट होतात. तर हाऊ कॅन फॉर्म दिस octahedral and tetrahedral voids you can discuss. Basically you can see here, this is you can see here, this is 3 atoms and one red atom and this 3 brown atom, and here 4 atoms combined together, here formation of tetrahedral whole here. And octahedral what? 3 red atoms and 3 brown atoms can completely orange atom completely together and form a octahedral voids. You can see here, these 3 atoms can completely come together. That means what? This atom like that, and you can completely shift this atom on this. म्हणजे हे जर असं असेल, समजा हे 3 रेड ॲटम्स असे आहेत, हे रेड ॲटम्स आहे, तर ब्राऊन कलरचा ॲटम बरोबर इथे इथे आणि अशा पद्धतीने म्हणजे ऑक्टाहेड्रल होल जनरेट होणार आहे. जे यू ऑलरेडी सी हियर, यू कॅन सी दिस octahedral voids and tetrahedral voids in this picture, in this figure. This is octahedral void forms like that. This is 1 2 3 atom, again 3 atom can rearrange here, and formation of octahedral holes and tetrahedral holes form like that. Okay, this is the ABAB type, and this packing is called as a hexagonal close packing. So what is mean by coordination number? The coordination number, that means what? का जो काही सेंट्रल ॲटम असेल एखादा, आणि त्या सेंट्रल ॲटमला अटॅच असणारे जेवढे ॲटम्स असतील त्याला त्याचा कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर म्हणायचा. आता यू कॅन सी हियर, दिस सेंट्रल ॲटम and number of atom attached to this central atom is how much? You can count 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. That means the coordination number for this one is 6. Coordination number for this 6. Okay, you can see here, tetrahedral voids 4 pairs are involved. In tetrahedral voids there are 4 pairs involved, and in octahedral voids there are 6 pairs are involved. Okay, if the number of close pack pairs are n, the number of octahedral voids are n. If octahedral voids जर n असतील तर tetrahedral voids किती असणार आहे? त्याच्या दुप्पट 2n असेल. You must remember, if the number of close pack pairs are n, the number of octahedral voids are n, and the number of tetrahedral voids are 2n. You must remember. In short, there are 2 types of voids formed in this ABAB type arrangement, and this is the tetrahedral voids formed by 4 pairs and octahedral voids formed by 6 pairs. Okay, you must remember, this is more important, and all this can form the arrangement is like that, ABAB arrangement like that. You can see here, this is A layer, B layer, and above it can form octahedral voids, and below it can form tetrahedral voids. The next point we'll discuss here, placing the sphere of third layer into the tetrahedral voids. Next point we'll discuss here, this packing is called as a hexagonal packing, and in short you also called as a SCP packing. You can see here in this figure, this is SCP packing. This is red A layer, this is orange is B layer, and this is A layer, B layer, again A layer. You can see here A layer, B layer, and again A layer. Okay, how can form? This system or this arrangement is called as a ABAB type arrangement. How can form this arrangement? You must remember, if the tetrahedral voids are present, if the tetrahedral voids are the second layer are covered by the sphere of the third layer. You can see here, if the here tetrahedral voids of the second layer are covered by the sphere of the third layer, the event that all sphere of the third layer are exact over the sphere of the first layer, and the fourth layer has to be fitted like second layer. The overall arrangement is ABAB arrangement. That means what? You can see here carefully. This is B layer, 3 spares. In this A layer is total spare is 7 spares there. This is 3. This is again 7 spares there. You can see here. I can't show in 3-dimensional here on paper, but you must understand very well. All are compact together. You can see here this BA layer can compact together and formation of such kinds of hexagonal structure, that means SCP structure, hexagonal close packing. Here formation takes place. That's why it is AB type. Here also regular arrangement takes place here. This is this arrangement is a structure is hexagonal packing there. Then placing the sphere of the third layer into the octahedral well. First we will discuss here placing the sphere of third layer into the tetrahedral voids. काय केले आपण की जो थर्ड लेयर आहे, दिस इज फर्स्ट लेयर, दिस सेकंड लेयर, दिस इज फर्स्ट लेयर, सेकंड लेयर अँड दिस इज थर्ड लेयर. ओके, तर जो काही थर्ड लेयर आहे तो टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड्स वरती प्लेस केलेला आहे, जो 1, 2 and 3. यू कॅन सी हियर 1, 2 and 3 थर्ड लेयर आहे तो टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड्स वरती काय केलेला आहे, प्लेस केलेला आहे. प्लेसिंग द स्पेअर्स ऑफ द थर्ड लेयर इनटू octahedral voids. In this case what happen, hexagonal close packing, this is more effective than above mentioned you have. Then next is placing the spares of the third layer into the octahedral voids. Next packing is placing the spare of the third layer into octahedral voids. In this arrangement is called as a ABC type. In this arrangement what happen, this is your simply A layer, this is B layer and this is C layer. Okay, in this arrangement what happen, this is cubic close packing. How can takes place? You can see here, this is this layer, this is three spares atom, this is 3 spares atom and this is A layer. All get compact here together, and here formation of such kinds of cubic CCP structure, that means cubic close packing structure here form here. You can see here the such a arrangement is like that. Okay, such a arrangement is like that in 3D dimensional. Okay, this is A B A C B A B C arrangement. There are total 3 layers, A, C, B. Again A, C, B. Repeated, and you can simply say that what here. You can simply say that here placing the spare of the third layer into octahedral voids. You can place the third layer. This is first layer, second layer, and third layer. You can place the third layer into octahedral voids. Okay, like that. This arrangement you can discuss here. There are 2 types arrangement, SCP and CCP. This is more effective. This is ABC type. It is also called as a cubic close packing. In this arrangement, in this ABC arrangement type, their coordination number is 12, because in one atom attached to the total number of spare is 12. That's why and the packing cannot be made more efficient, as it not possible to increase coordination number beyond 12. Okay, you must remember this is the 6 neighboring spare is in its own own layers, 3 spare in its layer above and 3 spare in the layer below it. This is the more effective arrangement. We already discussed in one dimensional arrangement, two dimensional arrangement, three dimensional arrangement, A type, AB, AB type, ABC, ABC type. Already we have discussed there.